In this video, you will learn how to create a new Citect project. In Citect Studio, select the project's activity, select Add and click the New Project button. Enter the project name, which can be up to 64 characters long. The name must conform to Windows file naming rules. An optional description may be added if required. The files for the project will be placed in a default location, which can be changed if required by clicking the Browse button. Note the selection box to use a startup project. Using a startup project means that your newly created project will have some useful initial content already loaded. Several startup projects are provided with the product. These represent different page template styles and screen resolutions. We will select SA_style_1_1_multi-raise. We will select SA_style_1_multi-raise as we are creating a new project based on a situational awareness startup project. Click OK to create the new project and make it the active project. Select Includes to view various system include projects to form a project hierarchy. We will add SA_training_include project as an included project for this training course. You can find this project by clicking on the Resources button above. Save the changes. Now let's look at some of the default content provided by the startup project. Select the topology activity. Our new project has been given a default topology for a standalone system with a single cluster called Cluster 1 and the 4 standard servers I/O, Alarm, Trend, and Report servers. Select the visualization activity and observe that a default menu configuration has been created by the Situational Awareness Startup project. They can be identified by the name used in the page fields such as header bar, help, information zone, navigation zone, and interlock zone. Navigation section of the project menu will be the primary focus of this course, as it is a user-configured menu that is fundamental in enabling operator engagement with the runtime system. Several default pages have also been created. This includes 2 master pages that provide the framework for the default layout of a screen based on its resolution. You can now double-click on the page to open it in the graphics builder. You can also filter the page by the content type, for example, faceplates. Observe the sample faceplates, which use a specific set of items to display controls at runtime. You can add your faceplates using these samples. Select the setup activity and observe the 4 alarm categories that have been created. Select the screen profiles and observe a default screen profile that is included for a single 1920 by 1080 screen. Finally, let's compile the project to perform error checking and preparing the project for runtime.